Teledyne FLIR releases Hadron 640R development kits for fast integration. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Today, Teledyne FLIR released development kits for easy integration of its FLIR Hadron 640R thermal and visible dual camera module. The kits include hardware and reference software drivers, which are compatible with development boards that support the NVIDIA Jetson Nano, the Qualcomm RB5, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. The Hadron 640R's compact 640 by 512 resolution radiometric Boson thermal camera module grants visibility within total darkness, smoke, and most fog. The module also features a 64 MP visible electro-optical (EO) camera for high-definition visible imagery. The development kits allow integrators to begin imaging and controlling the cameras in only a matter of hours. This rapid and easy integration lowers development time and costs significantly, cementing the solution as the perfect dual-sensor payload for integration into unmanned aircraft systems, UAS, unmanned ground vehicles, UGV, robotic platforms, and AI-ready applications necessitating efficient battery runtime and battery life. The powerful Hadron 640R development kits provide integrators industry-leading thermal and visible camera operation using both Linux and Android application development, said Michael Walters, Vice President, Product Management, Teledyne FLIR. Combined with the size, weight, and power-optimized Hadron 640R and the Teledyne FLIR Technical Services team to support integration, these development kits further maximize efficiency for developers at every stage. The Hadron 640R features low, steady-state power consumption at 1.8 W and an IP54 rating, resulting in increased battery operation time, all within a compact, lightweight 56-gram camera module. The plug-and-play development solution enables same-day operation and includes interface boards, cabling hardware, and reference software drivers.